Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you send crypto through Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application. And let me tell you, this process is not very different from sending cash. Now, after that, you will get to see this mini Binance icon into the top left. Tap to that, and after tapping into there, you will get to see pay option directly. Simply select the pay option, and after selecting the pay, you will get to see send button directly. Tap to send button, and after that just simply enter the email address, phone number or Binance ID, any of those of the receiver. And after successfully entering the receiver's ID, simply tap to continue, and after tapping into continue, if the account of the receiver and the sender is verified, you will get to choose the crypto that you would like to send. Just simply choose the crypto, and after choosing the crypto that you want to send, simply tap to send or send the crypto and enter the passkey or biometrics, and then the crypto will successfully be sent to the receiver, and you will get a message that crypto is successfully sent. This way you can easily send the crypto by using the Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.